Passi City. We give her a round of applause, please.
Please join us here. We have 12 numbers. Duha na dira jokers. Puno lang gid ang aton nga bunuton. All right. Now, let's see kung anong iyang mabunutan nga number. Can you open it for us? It's number 8. Let's see what picture number 8 is. It's the Gigantes Island.
I love Gigantes.
And now, what is your answer to that? Candidate number 15, go.
Since I am a tourism student and a claim millennial, my advocacy is to help promote Gigantes Island, and my advocacy is sustainable and competitive tourism through millennial trend. And I will personally visit this Gigantes Island to help promote and sharing healthy videos and hitting likes. As a part of this new and advanced generation, I would use our social media to promote this tourist spot, and I believe that all of us in this world could see and appreciate the wonders of our country, which is the Philippines. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1, Passi City.